Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an educational video wherein I'm recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, yesterday, as per the long-term activity record, rotation-wise, if we see, it was somewhat a neutral kind of a day. But value area, it was formed towards the lower side, and volume, it was very low. So, I'll just show the volume how it is. Volume was just around 4.52, means that is not a good volume. And the day structure it was forming in such a kind that it was somewhat kind of a liquidation, long liquidation. So here you can see it was a B kind of formation. And overall, if you see, market was coming in a lower side from the peak which it formed. So sellers were clearly having the control. But the confidence is not that high as the volume indicates. So we need to be bearish in the minor trend. But coming to, if we see the long term view, you can see here it was clearly market was in a range. It broke that range and it is coming back to that range. So it has not broken that level to the bottom side. So long term on a monthly and weekly basis, it was still bullish. So that was there in my mind. And today it opened a gap down due as the all Asian as well as the market were in a red. So market opened gap down. So as the volume yesterday, they had a buyers were liquidating over there. So their stop loss might have hit and it further came down. So I had a plan to see the reversal where it is happening. So I had marked levels in the chart. I had marked the levels in Nifty index chart. So here you can see these are POCs on the 30-minute time frame. If we see POCs of long back to areas, I had identified and marked those levels. So market X, see here you can see both the levels I had marked. So market exactly took a support over there, and at that time I was pretty sure it is going to reverse, but I did not take a trade at that time. I waited for a reversal. So once it broke and came to that level, I took a trade. I'll just show how I entered that trade. So here in 5 minutes time frame, if we see, we had that level and it reversed from there. And here you can see market was forming higher highs. Here it was a higher high, then a higher high was formed. So after that, when it took a reversal and when it reversed from there, I was bullish in my view. So there I got an entry. It suddenly spiked and went high. Uh, but I did not take the entire profit. I exited somewhat around here because there was a support. You can see one support was there around that level. So there I exited. Second target was there. So it could have been a good move, but I did not wait for that time. I got some 30 points around. I exited. If I had held, I could have easily got another additional 100 points. So I understood the power of market, and I also knew that there will be a reversal at around a previous day POC. So, and that gap will be filled. That was my view. So exactly my view was correct, and I was also able to take some good move. Anyway, in coming days also, I'll try to pick a big move of 100 points. Then only we'll be that confident because while I'm seeing some profit, I am exiting. That is one issue which I have to sort out. So that's it from my side. Thank you.